Okay, so for today's assignment, you're going to be creating a found poem. So in order to do that, we first need to know what is a found poem. So this is poets.org, their definition. Found poems take existing texts and refashion them, reorder them, and present them as poems. The literary equivalent of a collage, found poetry is often made from newspaper articles, street signs, graffiti, speeches, letters, or even other poems. So it's literally taking something that's already written and turning it into a poem, either by reordering the words, that type of thing. So I have an example of what this can look like. So this person took a book page and circled the words that they wanted to use. Here's what it sounds like. Look at these things formed by the change of light, color, sound. They are real. Whether they exist or not, they represent something. So you're going to be doing this today with Martin Luther King Jr.'s I Have a Dream speech. You're going to use a computer program, a web app, in order to do that. So once you get your laptop, you're going to open up a web browser and go to tinyurl.com/wordmover, because you're going to be moving words around today. So you're going to hit this button on the left, create a new found poem, and we're creating one from a famous work, I Have a Dream. Down here at the bottom you'll see a word bank has popped up. So this is literally the words from his speech, and there's several pages of these. So basically you're looking for words that go together, that maybe move you, that you think are important. One more word. Okay. One thing you can also do with the word bank is you can shuffle the letters around. So sometimes this is helpful if you don't know where to go next. Seeing them in a different order might help you. Once you have your words clicked and dragged out to the background, pick a different background, because the one it defaults to is pretty boring in my opinion. So choose something that you like, and then you need to resize your words. They can be different sizes than each other. You can also rotate, so you can do words at an angle. Mine's particularly big. You're going to have more words on your page, so they can't be this big. You can also change the style, so the color and the font. You can make it bold. Better do that to dream. So we'll change stuff around. So there's my short little poem. Like I said, yours is going to be longer. Give your poem a name and your full name over here. Oops. Let's try that again. Side note, you can also create a word. So if you find that you can't find a particular word and you need it, there's where you do that. And then if you need to delete, you click and drag to the trash can. Once you're satisfied with your poem, hit next. You're going to hit this top button, send as an email, and make sure it's on the PDF format. And you're going to send it to your dear teacher. And type in your email address down here. And then you just hit send. And a pop-up should come up saying, we sent your email. If you haven't seen it, check your spam, but you don't need to worry about that. I will, it don't work now. Anyway, I will make sure that I get your emails and you get credit for this assignment. So go ahead and get started.